Escargot, aka snails.
Five, four, three, two, one.
So guys, ngayon ay magre-ready na ako ng dinner namin. So, sabi ng anak ko, formal daw. Pero hindi ko to type tong formal na damit na to kasi feeling ko hindi to formal. Pero ito ang gusto nilang idamit ko. So, susuot ko pero pagpunta ko sa room nila, sasabihin ko na hindi ko type ang damit na to. So, tapos na ako nagpa-massage. Feeling good na ako. Sana hindi babalik ang aking yung pagkahilo. So, flex ko lang kayo guys.
They are the exact snails that crawl around in your garden.
So, ito yung butter calamari.
Where does your came from?
Tapos guys, yan. Ang dagat ngayon guys ay calm. Hindi maalon ngayon. So, yan guys. Tapos yan ang kasi nandito ako ngayon sa veranda ko. So guys, ito yung market vegetable na order ko. Very unique name. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys, anong ganda ng restaurant sa barko na to ha. Ayan sila. Ganda, tingnan mo ang ganda. Tsaka mga yan. Ayan. Ganda-ganda ng mga nila, atmosphere nila. And of course, hello. Ayaw niya. Sige, bahala ka.
Steal menus. People collect them. I don't know. It's a real thing. That's why restaurants now, they always come and take the menus. Because people, they have this thing about all the restaurants. They get all the menus.
Take a photo. We were at a restaurant, an Italian restaurant, and this is during that heat wave, end of January. And so we were outdoors, but they had no outdoor fans or anything like that. So we kept on asking if we could keep the menus so that we could have them as fans. But they were like, no.
No.
No, I think I'll just maybe get the lychee tart for now. Definitely. But I'll keep them until we're warm. Bye.
You got a
Oh,
sign.
yes, sorry.
It's automatic like.
She can't write?
Yeah, it's already.
Yeah, she can't.
Ano mo guys, so, may mga bags sila. $95 American 9 weeks. Ayan guys.
So there's this one.
Yan, may mga jewelry din dito. Yan. Yan. Ayan o. Ayan sila o. So, ito na ang dinner namin guys. Fish and chips. Siya, pasta. That's our dinner. And this is lapping.
I don't know why I have a knife here.
This is fish and chips
Might need to turn it
for
on.
my dinner. So our dessert is leg and potato.
I was talking to
They are
someone up there
eating
today and they were saying
now.
that, yeah,
The
market's
restaurant
not bad,
now is very busy.
but
Yeah, very busy. Yeah. And look at that, how busy is the restaurant. Karaoke day. So yan ang salad guys. So ito yung hot food nila guys. Yan.
Let's go back to the stage.
Pakunti na lang kasi patapos na ang lunch nila. So ito yung buffet sa barko. Aming sinasakyan. Yan, salad. Salad. So ito yung salad nila guys. Ito yung buffet na yan ang kanilang dessert. Ayan. Ito naman ang ganap namin. Kasi araw-araw may ganap. Kain, inom, tapos uwi. Ayan naman. Grabe talaga. Mag-i-enjoy ka dito sa barko. So, kalaban mo lang dyan ay mainit. Mainit talaga. Ito papunta kami ngayon dito sa Mexico Island. Ito natatakot ako dito yung dyan kasi parang para bang paano kung magsisink yung sinasakyan namin kasi maliit lang kaya natatakot ako yung nagdadasal niya. So guys, tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda. So ito yung boat na papunta ng Mystery Island. No? So ito yung mga coconut yan. Ang dami namin. Tapos yung mga tao sa Vanuatu sila. Ayan ang bahay nila, parang bahay kubo. Ayan. Yan, coconut tree. Small coconut tree. Are you okay there?
Yeah, I got dizzy.
So yan ang galing sa barko. Dumao yan doon. Yan ang anak ko si Jade na picture. Ayan ang barko namin. Yan sila. So, tingnan nyo ang dagat ng Vanuatu guys. Ang ganda-ganda. Blue, saka ang ano niya, o tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Yan sila. Ito yung mga tourist pa to.
It's goat balls.
This is lamb cocktail.
Goat balls.
Oh my goodness. This is meatballs.
It's lamb kofta.
So this is my dinner. Meatless spaghetti, bolognese, and mushroom. So this is my dinner, guys. Yummy prawns and potato. Yum yum. Mushroom soup.
We're caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Why can't you see what you're doing to me? When you don't believe a word I say, we can go on together with suspicious minds.
Ready to mix, Rambo? Let's do it, Terminator. Feel that beat. Drop the bass. DJ Heroes.